Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoom account security after compromised meeting links, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Zoom account security after compromised meeting links, start by changing your Zoom password. Log into your Zoom account via the official website. Navigate to the profile section in your account settings. Select Change Password. Enter your current password and then your new password. Make sure to create a strong password that is unique and not easily guessable. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to the Security tab in your account settings. Toggle on the two-factor authentication option. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method, either via an authentication app or SMS. Now, review your recent meetings for any unauthorized access. Check the Meetings section in your Zoom account. Identify any meetings that were scheduled without your permission. Delete any suspicious or compromised meeting links. Next, update your meeting settings to enhance security. Access the Settings section in your account. Turn on features such as waiting room and require a password for personal meetings. Consider enabling only authenticated users can join, to restrict access to your meetings. Communicate with your participants about the changes. Notify them of the new meeting passwords or links. Encourage them to use secure connections when joining webinars or meetings. Finally, monitor your account activity regularly. Keep an eye on any unusual sign-ins or changes to your account. These steps will help you restore and maintain security for your Zoom account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.